Hi, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Dilip Nyasi from Kenya, East Africa. Please subscribe and let's enjoy the African village life. So today we are going to cook the most appetizing, delicious village food in the desert Turkana country, Kenya. And the men are the ones in the kitchen. Amron, sema nyai. yeah, he's cooking today. We are going to taste the food. If you have subscribed, you are much welcome to this kitchen. If you haven't, please subscribe so that we eat together this food. African Village Chronicles. Be sure to give this video a like or a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about today's video in the comment section below.
So we have to prepare the cooking place, the 3 stones. As usual in African village kitchen, you will never miss these 3 stones for cooking. Thank you. Then we are just chilling as women, waiting for the food from the men. Do men cook in your village? Let me know in the comment section below. So this meal we have to put water, then add cooking oil, then milk, leave it to boil. Once it has boiled, add corn flour or maize flour. This food is called nangaria. If you ever eat this kind of food, how do you call it in your local language? Your comment delights me. Thank you. So we have to stir the mixture of water, cooking oil, milk and flour this way. The flour is added to make sure it forms a firm patty but with no lumps. It just started to boil again. It is becoming something like the Kenyan staple food ugali, but not really so. This one will be too soft. The sun is too hot here, but however we just have to persevere because this is a dry land. Where are you watching from? This is northern part of Kenya, Turkana, East Africa. This is what we will serve our nangaria with. We call this omena. So it is supposed to be hand-picked to remove any stones that might be there. And readiness for cooking. This is rich in proteins and vitamins. Very good for babies' healthy bones. We have to boil it in the water as a way of washing it to remove the bitterness. How do you call this in your local language? They are called fingernails in English. Your comment delights me. Once the water has boiled, we have to strain the excess water and then wash the onions. Today men are in the kitchen. Please give this video a thumbs up for this man. So the one cutting is called Amron. He's cutting the onions and the tomatoes, while Aule is making sure that things are well on the cooking pot. What do you think about men in the kitchen? Please let me know in the comment section below. Your comment delights me. Thank you. Once the onions and tomatoes are ready, the cooking oil, add the omena inside that and start stirring until wet fried. This is what we are going to serve with our nangaria. Have you ever tasted such a meal? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Our nangaria was simmering for 10 to 15 minutes, but it is ready. You can eat it without any accompaniment, but for us we choose to use a stew or vegetables. Thank you.
Hakuna meza, tunakula kwa kutumia chini.
Kwa nini?
Masufuria.
Crunch.